Okay, I'm sharing my screen now. Uh,
Yes.
I think you can see it now.
Yes, we can see Zoe, Chandler, and Ross. Yes.
Okay. Hello and good noon, everyone. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to speak and express my ideas with a picture. Though in this picture, we get to see the three most popular characters from Friends. In my opinion, so far, the best one Zoe Tribbiani, Ross Geller, and Chandler Bing. I'm not going to talk about them. Instead, I want to relate their poses with our parents, especially my father, or my not mine, especially the father in our society. When it comes to raising boys with the idea of respecting women, we often sit around in our living room or the drawing room where we have a TV. Suppose when the news is telecasted and the whole family is watching the news, and when we often get to see rape cases on TV, we often see that the girls are told after the news that they should be more careful with what they are wearing, and they are always told not to go out without any reason or without any important reason and many more absurd advices. But the father seems that he hasn't seen the news or pretends that he wasn't listening even to the news. And he mostly will play dumb when it comes to uh, talking with his son. These boys are never told by their parents, especially father, about gender equality and respecting women, etc., by their fathers. Well, it's not a surprise because if the father do so, it will be a hypocrisy since he is not in many times not seen to respect his wife or his uh, family members who are female. So we need to broaden our ideas and let our fathers know that he has to see what's going wrong in the society and show it to his son, like not like sitting like Zoe, and then he has to listen to women what their needs and desired respects are, and also teach his son to do so and not sit like here like Ross. Last of all, he has to make conversation and break the ice to talk about things that will make him or make his son enriched with the moral values that a person should possess to make a society a better place to live for men as well as women. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Samuel Alim.